Guys, welcome to another video from CarAndTech. So I recently purchased the X300 Pro Indian retail unit. So I had a X100 Pro. I exchanged it with Flipkart, and I bought the X300 Pro. So for the X100 Pro, I got almost 32,000 plus 11,000 rupees bank discount. So almost I got 40,000 rupees for the X100 Pro. I've done a detailed video of the how I exchanged the X100 Pro with the X300 Pro. So you can go to my channel and watch it. So this is the X300 Pro box, guys. So as you can see, we have a silicone cover. I intentionally didn't purchase the beige variant or the cream color variant because the cover will get soiled soon. So that's why I went for the black color of the X300 Pro. So once you open the box, guys, you have a charger with the device, but unfortunately it does not come with a type C output. The end is a type C output, but here it's a type A output, guys. So that is what I really got. I didn't like that feature which the Vivo people had done this time. So I really would like to have the previous charger, which I'll show you, which came with my X100 Pro. So this is the 120-watt charger which came with the X100 Pro, and this has a type C to type C cable, which was decent. But I don't know why Vivo changed it to the type A to type C cable right now. And this is a 120-watt charger. The current one is actually a 90-watt charger, maybe because of the capacity of the battery increase, guys. Also in the box, guys, we have a X300 series X Care card, which you are a VIP customer for the Vivo right now. If you have an X series phone, especially the X300 Pro, if something happens to the X300 Pro, they'll give you a 24/7 support or calling line, and also a standby device, and also doorstep repair and remote assistance, and lots of things. And when we go dig into the box, we have a SIM ejector tool and the charging cable and other leaflets inside the box. So that is basically the box, guys. This is the unboxing of the Vivo X100 Pro Indian retail unit. I'm in love with this device, guys. This is a beast. If you want to buy this device at a very low price, less than 65,000 rupees, do check out my new video in my channel so that you'll get an idea how you can purchase this phone at a very low price. So that's it for the review, guys. If you like this video, do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks a lot for watching.